While talking about the act of power hegemony to push for decoupling from or breaking economic links with China, a Kenyan economist said it's a zero-sum game caused by old thinking of the Cold War era.
That takes me back to the old economic theories of zero-sum game. That if you lose, I must gain. There's no way that both of us can gain. But I think the economic reality nowadays is that such a competition does not need to be zero-sum game. All of us can gain. If you look at the gains in productivity, the gains in trade, the gains in economic growth, it is possible that you can grow and also grow because there's no limit to growth. There's no limit to high standards of living. There's no limit to human happiness. So I don't think we should be having a negative sum game. It should be positive sum game, no zero-sum game. That is old thinking, the Cold War thinking. The new thinking is we can all gain together.
The economist also warned of the risks of the competition out of control, saying it would be harmful to both parties and other stakeholders of the global scheme.
I think competition is good. But if that competition is not controlled, everybody loses because it can be destructive. It can be focused on non-productive sectors. For example, we might find the two countries having military build-up instead of building the economies, instead of improving the economic level of their citizens. So competition is good, but if it is not controlled, then it can be harmful to both parties. As we say, when two elephants fight, the grass suffers. And in this case, the grass would be the other stakeholders in the global scheme of things.